This clip shows welding of reinforcing bars. At a lap splice location in reinforced concrete, at first glance, it looks strong. But according to structural codes, ACI 318 clearly states that lap splices work by bond and development length, not by welding the bars together. Welding in this zone can reduce ductility and create brittle heat-affected areas. This leads to stress concentration and sudden failure, especially under seismic loading. Even low-hydrogen electrodes like E7018 do not automatically make lap splice welding acceptable. In concrete structures, what looks strong can fail first.